Anthony down the road, I get beer here. My mother not stop talking about him. He might get scholarship, me not know who you.
Wasting your time with Anthony.
Me not know who you. You take a video game and a kick football, but that no kick no grade. What you gonna do about yourself?
Brown liquor up in my car. Me and two girls I wine out. Party shot, tune in my bar. Split lights so the night get far.
Happy Mother's Day! Today is Mother's Day. Wanna say a big shout out to you guys out there, all mothers out there. Shout out to my mother, shout out to this beautiful mother right here, guys. She is her first Mother's Day. She has her first Mother's Day.
My first little baby.
Yes, go ahead and smash the like button for her. Smash the like button for your mother out there right now, guys. We want to say thank you guys for your love and support. If you want to be part of the family, go ahead and subscribe.
And hit the bell.
So today's video we got for you guys is called
Things that piss off a Jamaican mother.
Yes. So basically, a Caribbean mother as well, but these are the ticking time bombs of a Jamaican mother where we'll just tick them off. It does everything, just tick them
Do you
off.
really want to piss them off? Just do one
Just
of
do
these
it,
things.
yeah, just do one of these things and you probably won't be living after it.
Comment down below if you're not from the Caribbean and you're not from Jamaica and this pisses off your mother.
Yeah, just comment down below right now. Notification gang, notification squad, go ahead and comment down below. Notification Mother's Day, go ahead and comment down below right now. Notification Chase, go ahead and comment down below right now. We are going to get sorted into the video.
The first thing that pisses off a Jamaican mother is giving them attitude when they tell you to go do something or they're talking to you. Just kiss your teeth. That's
Kiss
it.
your teeth. Don't do this. Basic example.
Or cut your eye.
You can do it at the lowest volume
And
of
you
a
think
kiss.
she's not gonna hear, but she hears.
She can hear and she hears it from a mile away. I'm telling you people, you probably won't be living after it.
Definitely not.
She will be tearing up your bottom.
Tearing up your bottom.
Yes, she'll go tear up your bottom, your skin will go whale.
So definitely don't try that with a Jamaican mother. The second thing is throwing away or wasting the food that they give you to eat.
Jesus Christ. Danielle, for example, my mother used to make porridge in the morning. Oh my God, she will leave the bowl of porridge big like this. This is how big the bowl is, and the porridge full up to the brim. And people, me fret because guess what? I'm a person. I love porridge.
I hate porridge.
I love porridge, but I can't take so much of porridge. It gets to me, people, and then I would have to drink up the whole thing. Sometimes I remember. Oh God.
I used to.
I remember.
Save it in my mouth and just collect it in the side of my mouth and then go and spit it out to the bathroom.
God. Yeah, I literally remember one time I vomit because it was too much. I just couldn't do it no more and I vomit.
Porridge
And my mother, she beat my bottom for it.
Basically, you can't get up from the table until your plate is clean.
Clean, your plate has to be clean, shine like it just get washed. Honestly.
Grandma used to say, chew, swallow, chew. Third thing that Jamaican mothers hate is when they're talking to their friends and you come and join in the conversation.
Don't you ever butt in.
Or sit down in the room while they're having the big people conversation. They're gonna tell you to get out.
Get out. Leave people business alone. Come out of your house. Come out.
Big people business.
Yes, come out of
Yeah,
your
it's a
house.
child.
Marcia, you know, see Jody at that old man down the road. Hello, what you doing in here? Hello, what you doing in here?
Yep.
Come out there.
Don't join the conversation. Next thing is not washing the dishes. When they leave the house and come back, that dish better be washed. Even if it's one baby spoon.
Yes, even if there's one baby spoon, one cup in the sink, you better wash it.
Or the full sink that they leave and they come back and say you couldn't wash up the 2 little plates in the sink.
Honestly, your mother is gonna bulldoze down the door where you're sitting down in your room and you're comfortable and then she come in there and just look on you. She'll go look on you like this. And she wants you know you're in some big trouble, master.
So wash the dishes. Don't make them come home to no dirty dishes. Next thing is asking for fast food when you know there's dinner at home.
Yes. Mommy, me can get some McDonald's. Go in that damn fridge. Me have leftovers from yesterday or 3 days ago. Me have some cold goat in there from 4 days ago. Yo, listen people, you better eat. Honestly, and you know what's the craziest thing? A fridge, a Jamaican Mother fridge is never empty.
Never.
It has food in there for 2 weeks.
It has a Tupperware and it just have food.
Food. My mother used to never dash nothing. Shout out
So
to
you
mother out
cannot
here.
tell her that there's nothing in the fridge to eat because there is something in there to eat.
McDonald's? Me? Could I ask my mother about McDonald's? You're
Maybe
mad.
on a Friday.
Yeah, not even. Not even.
Next thing is breaking their vase or their china or anything that they have special in the living room. Break it.
People.
They're going to tell you where they get it. Look how long they have it.
If you were playing and you broke it, and she knows that you were playing and then she talked to you before it,
You go bye-bye.
listen, just like your teeth them gone, your piece of your ears are gone, yeah, and your skin are gonna wait up. Just prepare for that.
Just know.
Just
It's
know.
not gonna be pretty.
I can't wait for both your ass.
The next thing is they cannot stand to hear you arguing with your brother or your sister.
Yeah, like literally, it have to tick them off because normally we argue for like a good 5 minutes and then when it keeps going, she just come in.
And she don't care who was wrong, who was right, she don't care. Everybody getting beaten.
I don't care. Shut your mouth, man. Shut your mouth.
They don't want to hear you arguing in their house.
And you know, you're trying to prove your point. Like, I know me, mommy, and him, Andrew. That boy, see, Andrew made me cause a lot of beatings.
It's too bad.
No, it was Andrew's fault. Honestly, it was Andrew's fault.
It doesn't matter, both of you getting beat. Bad grades, especially
Lord.
if your friends doing better in school than you.
Lord God. Do you have an example? Well, not really an example, I have a past of it. I failed one time and my mother came to school. You know, your mother comes to the school and come pick up the report card. Before she got to get the report card, she came here and she looked at me and she said, hey, everything alright? I said, no. And she said, mommy, you're not gonna be too happy. Honestly guys, when I told her that, I literally started running from the school to my house. I started to run because I did not know want to beat them, so I just started to run and run away.
You ever remember parent-teacher meeting and the teacher saying she talks too much in class and she can do so much better, and your mother just looking at you because you know when she gets home.
Yeah, not even that. When your mother compared to somebody else who doing better than you.
Yeah, your friend, imagine you always on the road with your friend and your friend get all A's and you get all F. Just know.
Just know. Anthony down the road I get beer here. My mother not stop talking about him. He might get scholarship. Me not know
Continue
about you.
wasting your time with
Me not know
Anthony.
about you. You take a video game and kick football, but that no kick no grade. What you gonna do about yourself? You can't stay in my house and you're so hopeless, you know? So like past experience, right?
He sounds like a Jamaican mother. Okay, the next one is having no manners. Not saying good morning in the morning,
Lord God.
good evening when you come into somebody's house, all those things.
Basically, when you actually your eyes them open, you better say good morning. Cause she's probably right around you. You better say good morning right
You come
here.
downstairs and everybody downstairs, good morning.
Good morning. You come in and you say good evening, mommy. Even when she have a attitude, you know she's miserable for the day, do not, I repeat, walk past her and not say good evening, because the whole stress what she have is going to go right to you. So you know what?
Next one is talking about relationship, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, sex.
Lord God.
When you're in like high school, she don't want to hear it until you're like 30.
No, don't mention them thing there. No, don't mention. You better have when you reach 21 after college. After college and you grow up and you leave the house.
When you turn 50.
Or when you leave the house, you can't have sex. You better be careful. You better be careful.
And don't bring no belly into them house.
Oh God, can you imagine you call them and tell, Mommy, I'm pregnant, you know? Oh,
She can say, don't come back.
just don't come back.
And last but not least, do not sleep in on weekends. Do not make her come in and see you sleeping.
Sleeping, she a go wake up. You should have go your bed at night time, but mommy, a weekend, we can't just stay late.
She wake up 6 o'clock. Church, come on.
Come on, man, your church time, man. Honestly, she play the gospel music at Sunday morning and the, you know, the old time reggae song them. Yeah man, she, you know when she clean the house and she just want you to wake up, so she crack the music.
There's no reason why you must be awake, but you must be awake.
Yes.
Because you're wasting time in your sleep.
You're wasting time in your sleep. You know you could be doing something better for yourself, but no, you there asleep. You are asleep. And what you do now?
I used to get that all the time.
Yes. Danielle sleeps a lot, by the way, guys. She sleeps a lot.
So I used to get that all the time.
Yeah, but now she doesn't sleep a lot because, you know, because she have a baby and
Team no sleep.
yeah, team no sleep right now, so we just, you know, we're good. At the end of the day, you have to love your Jamaican mother or your Caribbean mother or wherever your mother from. Just love her and cherish her because at the end of the day, if she birthed you, she bring you in this world and she can take you out of this world. Basically. And I love my mother. I want to say shout out to my mother. Happy Mother's Day.
And I love my mother. Shout out to my mother as well. And we just want
Happy Mother's Day to you too. I just want to say her first Mother's Day. And
sometimes I forget.
Yeah. How do you feel to be a mother?
Good.
If good, right? And you know that is
Father's Day.
That is day coming soon.
Father's Day.
That is days coming soon.
No presents on Father's Day.
Yeah. No, that is days coming soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Yeah, share this with a mother out there. Yeah, comment down below one of your favorite ones or one that we have not said about your mother. Yeah, just make sure you comment down below. We want to say thank you guys for your love and support again, and it is time for
notification shout out time.
Sing it, sister. Sing it, sister.
Okay, first notification shout out goes to Shay93.
Shay93, big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. Second notification shout out goes to
Mesh X.
Mesh X, big up your damn self. You're gonna go right over here. Third notification shout out goes to
Brittany Buckland.
Brittany, big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. I want to say thank you guys for your love and support. If you want to be a part of the notification shout outs, go hit the subscribe button
and the bell.
Hit the bell. Then you hit the like button and comment down below.
Notification gang,
notification chase, notification DC squad.
Happy Mother's Day, notification Chad doesn't need a gift on Father's Day.
If you comment down below that your name is not Fred. I want to say thank you guys for your love and support again, and we can't appreciate this much. We're almost at 100
days. And happy Mother's Day to all the mothers again.
She just cut me off. But I want to say thank you guys for your love and support again. Happy Mother's Day again to you guys. Love you guys. Peace.